Hi everyone, this is Selina. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release a crochet tutorial every week. And this week I'm bringing to you a super easy scrunchie that you can make in under 10 minutes. It's really easy to crochet and it makes a great gift. As always, the free pattern can be found on my blog selinaveronique.com. The link is in the down bar. And for this project I used burlap velvet yarn. As you can see, I only have a bit of a skein left. You will also be needing a 6mm crochet hook, as well as a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle and an elastic band, and that's it. And as I said, this is a really easy crochet project, perfect for beginners. So I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you want more feminine crochet content, don't forget to check out my Patreon page. The link is in the down bar. And without further ado, I'm just going to jump into the tutorial. And also I will be using US terms with British terms in brackets. Okay, so to begin this project, you will be taking your elastic band and your yarn and pop your yarn through like this and tie a knot to the elastic band. And now place your hands like this, so hold your elastic band and your yarn, take your hook and take your yarn and chain one. And once you've chained one, so this just counts as a chain, it doesn't count as a stitch. Okay, so now that you've chained one, what you are going to be doing is placing a double crochet directly onto the elastic band. So just wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the center, pull up a loop. You've got 3 loops on your hook, take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and that creates your first double crochet. Now what you are going to be doing is placing another double crochet on the project, and as you can see, I'm tidying up my loose end as I go. So this is very easy. Just carry on placing double crochets all the way along. So yeah, just carry on and just make sure you scrunch up your stitches as you go, just so that you have a nice full effect. And I'll get back to you once I've gone all the way around with double crochets. So I finished all my double crochets, and as you can see, I've scrunched the stitches up as I went along, so I've got lots of double crochets. I've not counted them because there's not a specific amount of double crochets that you need, but as you can see, there are a lot. So there we go. So now to finish off this this project, just simply slip stitch to the first chain that we did. So just go ahead and slip stitch. So just pop your hook through, pull up a loop and pull up a loop, and then take your scissors and snip off your yarn and pull your yarn through the loop to close it. And this is what we have for now. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We just need to sew in this loose end, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this easy and very fast scrunchie, and I hope to see you next week. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.